Welcome back. Are you struggling to choose between the Impossible Burger and the Beyond Burger? Not sure which plant-based patty is right for you? Today we're breaking down 5 key differences of these two popular vegan burgers. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll be showing you how to cook these burgers on the Blackstone for that perfect sear. And of course, we'll do a taste test with my husband to see which one comes up on top.
First up, let's talk ingredients. The Impossible Burger gets its meaty taste from a unique ingredient called heme, found in soy leg hemoglobin, which gives its signature bleed when you cook it. Beyond Burger uses pea protein as its base and beet juice for the color. So if you're looking to avoid soy, Beyond is your best bet.
It's a classic battle of soy versus pea protein. Both are packed with that plant-based power.
Next, let's compare the nutritional facts. The Impossible Burger contains 230 calories, 13 grams of fat, and 19 grams of protein per patty. Beyond Burger has 230 calories, 14 grams of fat, and 21 grams of protein. While they are close, Beyond edges out at a slightly higher protein count.
So if you're keeping track of your macros, Beyond might be giving you that extra gram of protein that you're looking for.
Now for the taste and texture test. The Impossible Burger is known for its juicy, beefy flavor. Beyond Burger has a slightly firm texture with a smokier profile. Both are delicious, but your preference might depend on whether you want a classic burger taste or a smoky grill vibe.
Impossible nails that juicy, meaty flavor, but Beyond, smokiness is something special. It's all about your craving.
Both burgers cook similar to beef patties, but there are a few things to note. The Impossible Burger will hold up well whether you're grilling, pan frying, or air frying. The Beyond Burger with its firm texture is perfect for their Instagram-worthy grill marks.
So if you're planning a barbecue, Beyond might be your best bet for the grill. But Impossible is fantastic for that perfect pan sear.
Finally, let's talk sustainability. Both brands are committed to reducing their environmental footprint. Impossible Foods claim their burgers use 87% less water and 96% less land than a traditional beef burger. Beyond Meat also impresses, using 90% less water and 93% less land. So whichever you choose, you're making an eco-friendly choice.
It's great to know whether you choose Impossible or Beyond, you're helping the planet with every bite. Now let's get cooking, and here's how to make that perfect plant-based burger on the Blackstone Griddle.
Preheat your Blackstone Griddle to medium-high heat, around 375 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it hot enough to get a good sear on those patties. Add a little oil to the griddle, just enough to prevent sticking. I'm using avocado oil for its high smoke point. Now let's get these patties sizzling. Place your Impossible Burger and Beyond Burgers onto the griddle. You'll notice right away that the Beyond Burger is a bit thicker, while the Impossible Burger is flatter. That's why the Beyond Burger takes a little bit longer to cook. Cook the Impossible Burger for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want a nice crust to form on the outside while keeping the juices inside. Because of its thickness, the Beyond Burger needs around 3 to 4 minutes per side to cook. Even when it's fully cooked, it still looks a little red thanks to that beet juice. Let's give those patties a flip and let them cook for another few minutes on this side. Now I'm going to cook the burgers under the dome for a few minutes to make sure the inside of the burgers are cooked. Remember, both patties should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So be sure to use your meat thermometer if you're unsure. The Impossible Burgers are now done. The Beyond Burger needs a few more minutes because they are thicker. Just remember, they're still going to look red when they're fully cooked. Alright, the Beyond Burgers are done, and I'm going to quickly clean the grill before we head inside.
So for our testing today, we are only adding the plant-based Hellman mayonnaise, and that's it. All right, let's taste it. Do that one first. So I know which is which. So the Impossible Burger definitely tastes more like a burger, and that's that one. So which one out of it do you prefer?
I don't know. I kind of think I like the Beyond better.
Why?
I thought it was maybe a little more tender, and I kind of thought it even tasted a little bit more like meat.
I think I prefer the Impossible Burger.
Wow. Try this one.
Well, there's definitely a difference in how they look.
Yeah, the color.
Yeah. I like the Impossible Burger. So it's 1 and 1. Tell us what you think down below in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant-based videos. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products I use in this are linked in the description below, and I'll see you next time.